So Huawei Pura 70 Ultra boasts a star-mind pattern design, a triangular-shaped back camera, a metal base extending toward the lower right corner of the deco, and an X-image logo and flash set inside the metal base. The body measures 162.6 mm x 75.1 mm x 8.4 mm and weighs 226 grams. So he comes with 6.8-inch 2844x1260 pixel OLED macro cover display sporting 120 has the LTView adaptive refresh rate, 1440 as a high frequency PWM diming, and a 300 as a touch sampling rate. And these all protected by Corning glass technology, 2500 nits peak brightness, sport a P3 white color gamut with 1.07 billion colors. It sports industry-first Ultra Spotlight telescope camera. The Ultra features 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor with aperture ranging from f1.6 to f4.0. Along with sensor shift stabilization, it includes a 40 megapixel ultra wide-angle camera f2.2 aperture and a 50 megapixel Ultra Spotlight macro telephoto camera f2.1 aperture with OIS optical steady shoot. With autofocus mode for selfies, it sports 30 megapixel front-facing ultra-wide-angle camera f2.4 aperture with autofocus. The mechanical structure inside the red circle of the main camera can achieve physical expansion, at least 350 circle expansion and contraction. It also features 3.5x optical zoom, 100x digital zoom. For stable shoots, the company has implemented a AIS anti-shake feature. It features Huawei new Kirin 9010 chipset featuring 8-core CPU, 1x 2.3 GHz plus 3x 2.18 GHz plus 4x 1.55 GHz. It's manufactured on 7nm process locally in China, like the Kirin 9000S inside the Mate 60 series. For graphics, it features the Million 910 GPU, which is also available with the Kirin 9000S. 5200 mAh battery with 100 watt super fast charging, 18 watt fast wireless charging, and 20 watt reverse wireless support. So moreover, it supports 2-meter IP68 dust and water resistance. It features a Type-C USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, supports satellite calls, video satellite picture messaging, and Huawei Reunious communication, and runs Harmony OS 4.2. It also supports AI spatial control, smart payment, and access to a Pango large model, providing intelligent applications such as AI elimination, AI color enhancement, and in-display fingerprint scanner. So Ultra model come in two versions: 16GB plus 512GB price at 499 June, 16GB plus 1TB price at 10,999 June. He comes with 4 colors: Chanson Green, Mocha Brown, Starburst White, and Star Black.